Hello everyone and welcome to Yolka's Polka. I am Yolka, your night owl. So last time we did an avocado themed spread, and today I figured we would do a strawberry and Rilakkuma spread. So for those of you who don't know what Rilakkuma is, it's basically this bear and he's super cute and I totally am obsessed with him. I actually have like a huge collection of plushies and I don't know how to explain it, but he's just so soft. So as you can tell, I have a lot of stickers of him, and the way that I choose my stickers is sometimes just see if things kind of go together. For instance, like if I'm finding strawberries, right, I would try to see if any of them have strawberries. So that's kind of like an easy way to shift through like all your stickers if you're trying to figure out which ones to use. So just see if there's like a specific theme, and if some of them follow that theme, then that's perfect. So it can either be theme, color, anything. So I hope that makes sense. But yeah, moving on, we're gonna also use some paper. And if you watch my previous videos, you know that I love using like scraps of paper or just paper pads. And for the washi tape, I sometimes tend to change which ones we use, but the general theme is gonna be hot pink and those polka dot ones. And I'm also gonna be going back into my Viewingle washi tape that I bought from Amazon, which really comes in handy actually. So paper pads tend to have really cute designs in them, and as you could tell, I just took like 2 pages from the paper pads that I showed in the beginning, and I'm just cutting it down to size using the Happy Planner punch. And if you don't have this punch, it's okay, you can just go ahead and measure out your boxes. You don't necessarily need this tool. I'm just showing you how I do it. And as you can see, I'm just placing all my boxes that I cut out, and I'm kind of just playing around with the layout, trying to see like what I like and how I want to do it. I will also be using my aesthetic stickers, which I bought these from Amazon as well, and as always the supplies are always listed in the description box just in case. So I'm trying to find something with strawberries in them, and it didn't seem like I could find anything until finally I found something. So we're gonna go ahead and use these, and they're super cute water bottles and there's strawberries on them. You can also do a different way of measuring out your boxes. That little white thing is like a cardboard, and what I'm doing is I'm placing a paper clip, and all I'm gonna do is like cut out the extras, and that's just like also an easy way to measure out your paper boxes, just in case if you don't have the Happy Planner punch. That's another way to go ahead and get some of your papers to fit perfectly in your boxes. So using the Viewingle Amazon washi tape, I'm just going ahead and placing some of the washi on the left side, and I'm just taking that paper that I cut out and I'm lining up the lines, and I'm just gluing it down so we have like a cute little area for our stickers. And I also chose another sticker, so usually I go with only 2 stickers, but this time I wanted to have like 3 big stickers. And I'm also going into my paper pad, and yes, that paper pad has been used quite a bit, or rather sticker pad, not paper. I'm also going ahead and using a strawberry to cover up like that wording, and I'm just using like little heart stickers to decorate that area. I'm also going in with my washi tape and just lining the bottom of the planner spreads, and using my Tombow pen, I'm gonna go ahead and write the quote of the week. And this time I actually was feeling kind of melancholy. I really miss Marzia, and for those of you who don't know Marzia, she used to be a big YouTuber. She's PewDiePie's wife, and ever since I found out that they're pregnant, I've been like just thinking about her so much, and this spread is kind of for her because she's been craving strawberries and she loves like Rilakkuma as well, and I don't know, it just sometimes I really miss her. Anyway, sorry, I'm not gonna sulk anymore. Moving on to what I'm doing. So I'm just placing all of those papers that I punched out, and I'm just gluing them all down, and honestly you guys, you won't believe like how cute this makes your planner look. And if you're someone like me who doesn't have like much to plan really, this is a great way to fill up space. So you don't even have to like buy paper pads, like whatever paper you have. See, like even like these notepads, they have like really cute paper in them sometimes, so you can like literally just use that and glue it down in your planner, and it creates like a really cute effect. I'm also going in with my big washi tape and I'm just putting that all down. And this is where I realized that I messed up the layout, but it's okay. I'm gonna go back in and like fix it. So sometimes I don't do a good job of cutting my washi, so what I do is I take my X-Acto knife and I just go over it really lightly, and I use my card as like a ruler. You can even use a ruler if you don't have a card, and that way I can just go ahead and cut off like the edges that weren't sharp, and that way it makes your washi look so crisp and so clean. I'm also going in with the green washi tape because strawberries have green leaves, so I thought it would be like a perfect break from all the pink. And I'm also just shifting some of the washi around because, I messed up the layout, but it's okay. It's easy to fix. So something to note about the Amazon washi tape if you do decide to buy it is it's kind of like not that sticky, but it's not that big of a problem. I just go in with some glue sticks and I just like glue it down. But for the price, I can't really complain. And as you can tell, those are the Lost Warriors. So I hope you don't mind, but Yumi, which is my cat, she is gonna be intruding a little bit. She was just curious on what I was doing, so I hope you guys don't mind. So yeah, moving on, I'm just taking all these circle stickers and I'm just placing them on my to-do boxes just to make it a little interesting. And I also needed to really use up these stickers, so I figured this would be like a great way. I'm also sticking with the color scheme, so like the pinks and the greens. And I'm going into one of my sticker books and grabbing these tabs. So those are also gonna go in my to-do boxes. That way it's kind of like a checklist. I think they're called checklist stickers, if maybe, I don't know. I call them tab stickers, maybe I'm wrong. Once I'm done with that, I'm going in with my big stickers and I'm placing them right down on top of that paper, and it creates a cute effect. I'm also going into my Park Lane stickers to find something to put right on top of that washi, just to make it look a little bit more cute. I'm also going in with some letter stickers to write out barbecue, because that day we were going to a party and we're gonna have barbecue. So going back with my Tombow pen, I'm just taking the time to write out all my to-do lists. And then I'm just going in with some more washi and I'm just lining the bottom of those boxes just to kind of hide those black lines, because I'm not a really big fan of the black lines, but it's okay. This is just like an easy way to hide those lines because I feel like they're so harsh. So washi tape kind of makes everything look cuter. Next I'm going in with this big pen, I believe, and also the Staedtler marker, and I'm just writing in my meal plans. And if you don't know what I'm doing right now, I made a mistake, so I talk about this a lot, but what I do is I just white it out and then I just put a disc label sticker right on top just to create a nice smooth surface. And then I'm also just going in and garnishing with a bunch of little stickers, and then I'm placing some page tabs right on the corners. Last but not least, all the little strawberries, and I'm just alternating it to make it look like they're bouncing around or something. I hope I did Marzia proud, and if she ever sees this, I'm a huge fan, and I hope your pregnancy goes well. But yeah. If you guys enjoyed this video, consider liking and subscribing, and I will see you all a little later.